Simply a quick overview of the home screen. This is the most common screen to come into the software at, and you can select a product selection sizing or field flow capacity, which I'll explain later. Choice of refrigerants, US or metric. Service line is the type of line I'd like to size for. So in this case, this example, use liquid feed to evaporators. And then we'll size the solenoid valve. So a simple diagram showing the valve and its location and the application. Refrigerant load, in our example, will be 30. Evaporator temperature is 20. Pressure drop across the valve. Now this is the pressure drop across the control valve, in this case the solenoid valve. 2 pound pressure drop minimum is required. We'll go ahead and assume that. Inlet temperature is also 20. And the recirculation rate is, let's call it 3 to 1. Here is the choice that's offered. So note that, hey, the capacity is based on our selection of 3 to 1. The green box is the suggested choice. Here you can look and say, oh, well, I need 30 tons. The HS8, which is a half-inch valve, will give me the 29 tons. I'm comfortable in that selection. Again, the software allows you to still be a designer, and it's designer's prerogative. But we'll go with the suggested and save it. The first time I save for a new project, I create the project on the fly. So we'll call this we'll call it XYZ fruit, and the customer is General Foods. Site is Happy Valley, Washington. Okay, so now I know that I'm going to have 4 identical units. I'm going to call this the Apple storage room. Unit, if I have an evaporator unit designation at this time, I can simply enter it in a air unit 1 to 4. If I've entered it, this will bring up previous selections that I've entered before. So A1 through 4. This is we'll just call this a liquid feed. And if I want to put any extra notes here, it's my choice. 1/4 inch socket weld flanges. And I've just created my first line item. So then it appears up here. I can minimize that list or expand it once again.